If you want to grow on Pinterest in 2026 and actually make money online, choosing the right niche is everything. We've done the research so you don't have to. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. If that sounds like your vibe, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. Today, we're breaking down the top Pinterest niches for 2026 that are beginner friendly and in high demand. I'll walk you through the 7 strongest categories, why they consistently perform well, how to choose the right niche for you, and how to scale your content using our favorite tool, Pin Generator, so you can grow faster without posting manually every single day. Why niches matter on Pinterest. Pinterest is powered by search, not followers. So when someone types a keyword into Pinterest, the platform looks for content that clearly fits that topic. A focused niche tells the algorithm exactly what your account is about and helps your pins show up in the right searches much sooner. A clear niche also shapes your entire workflow. It'll guide you to what to create, what keywords to target, what products or affiliate links make sense, and the type of audience you're building. So the right niche does 3 things. It brings consistent traffic, it helps you monetize sooner, and it makes your content easier to scale. And when you pair a strong niche with a tool like Pin Generator, you can batch create themed pins, preview which designs fit your niche best, and schedule weeks of content in minutes. So staying consistent becomes much easier when the creation process is streamlined. The top Pinterest niches for 2026. These categories have high search volume, strong purchase intent, and endless ways to create content. Number 1, home, DIY, and organization. Users come for storage ideas, home styling, cleaning hacks, and easy DIY products. These searches spike every January and again during seasonal refreshes. If you like tutorials, room inspiration, or helpful checklists, this niche offers tons of monetization paths, especially when paired with affiliate links or digital products. Number 2, food, recipes, and meal prep. Pinterest is a go-to for everyday meal inspiration. Quick dinners, meal prep, holiday recipes, and budget-friendly ideas thrive because they solve a daily need. If you run a food blog or share recipe-related videos, Pinterest is one of the fastest ways to grow traffic. And this niche works perfectly with Pin Generator's bulk creation tool, since a simple recipe can be turned into 10 or 20 different pin styles in just a few minutes. Number 3, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. These categories do extremely well because Pinterest is built around visual inspiration. Outfit ideas, hairstyles, skincare routines, capsule wardrobes, all of these convert well and support affiliate marketing. If you love curating products, doing top finds, or sharing lookbooks, this beginner-friendly niche is for you. Number 4, personal finance, budgeting, and planning. Every January, Pinterest sees a surge in budgeting, saving challenges, planners, debt payoff, and all the side hustle content. This niche converts because people actively search for guides and tools that will help them improve their life. Bloggers, printable creators, and digital products do really well here. Number 5, digital products and online businesses. This niche keeps growing. Think templates, checklists, planners, guides, and presets. These perform well because they save time and help people stay organized. So if you like creating digital assets, Pinterest can drive consistent passive income, and you can use tools like Pin Generator to automatically turn each one of these product pages into dozens of fresh pins. Number 6, travel. Travel planning on Pinterest never slows down. Packing lists, travel outfits, itineraries, and Amazon storefront lists all perform incredibly well. If you share guides or products, Pinterest is one of the best platforms for long-term travel traffic. And finally, number 7, health, wellness, and self-improvement. Fitness routines, self-care ideas, habit trackers, and wellness challenges, these are popular all year round, especially during the New Year reset. So if you sell digital planners, printables, or run a coaching style business, this niche can give you endless content ideas. So how do you choose the right niche for you? If you're stuck choosing a niche, don't overthink it. The best niche is one that you can create content for consistently and other people will actually search for. Your niche should sit somewhere between your interests, the demand, and the monetization overlap. So a simple question you can ask yourself is this: can I create 30 to 50 pieces of content about this topic without running out of ideas? If yes, you're probably on the right track. But if you want help picking out a niche or figuring out your larger Pinterest strategy, we walk you through a step-by-step guide in our Pinterest business strategy video. I'll include that link in the description below. Once you've validated your niche and you know what you want to post about, the next step is creating content. The easiest way to do this is with a tool like Pin Generator, which lets you batch create dozens of Pinterest pins in minutes. Whether you're sending traffic to a blog, a product page, or affiliate links, you just drop in your URL into Pin Generator and it will automatically scan the page, pull your images, titles, and descriptions, and turn them into Pinterest-ready pins in seconds. You can adjust the designs, the colors, choose templates that you like, and schedule everything for the month in one go. If you want to scale even faster, features like AutoPin can create more versions of a design that you're already using. And you can try connecting Pin Generator to your RSS feed so it automatically makes new pins for you whenever a new blog post goes live. It's the simplest way to stay consistent on Pinterest without creating every pin by hand, and it gives your niche the steady flow of content it needs to grow. If you want to try Pin Generator and see how much content you can create in just a few minutes, it's completely free to try. I'll leave that link in the description below. So there you have it, some of the top Pinterest niches for 2026. If you're just getting started with Pinterest, tell me in the comments, what niche are you choosing and what do you want to learn next? If you've enjoyed this video, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future Pinterest marketing tutorials. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.